Dog videos have universal appeal. Millions of views, endless shares. But you don't need to film your dog. There is a smarter way. It is called Video Express AI. Simply take a picture, type a prompt, and Video Express produces a professional animated video. Lifelike motion, natural lip sync, emotional delivery. You can even make the dog sing, tell stories, or present messages in over 100 languages. You can replace backgrounds, extend clips, and edit everything inside one app with captions, voices, and effects. Think about what that means. Training content, entertaining reels, viral shorts, all without a camera. Ogilvy said great advertising is built on great facts, and here is the fact. Video Express gives you studio-quality results at a one-time price. No subscriptions, no watermarks. Unlimited videos forever. That's the truth that makes it powerful.